Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sleepy sidekicks for another video. So happy you're here. The sidekicks for some reason are super exhausted today. They didn't even work yet today. What's up with that? All right, so that's probably all you're going to get from them, but that's all right. I've got this. I have 3 exciting pieces to bring to you today. Actually, it's probably more than 3 pieces, but 2 fun boxes and another exciting brand to bring to you today. So we're going to get right into it. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt's the white fuzzy bum. Zena's the brown fuzzy bum. We do subscription box unboxing, shopping hauls after the day, and so much more. Would love you to stick around, hit that subscribe. It really helps me continue to do this. And I would love if you would hang out with us. All right, first up, let's see. Let's do my Walmart beauty box. This is a seasonal or quarterly beauty box. All you pay for is shipping, and you get all kinds of fun little goodies. So it's right around, I think shipping used to be like $5. I want to say it's like $7. And then you'll get this little box in the mail. You do fill out a profile, so it is based on your choices. And I love the products that you get in here. So you get a lot of trial size and sometimes full size products for basically the cost of shipping. So it's definitely worth it. Okay, and I'll put the information for all of this stuff down below, don't worry. So here's what I see when I open it. First up, I have a Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. This is Pomegranate, Seeds, and Shea Butter. My lighting is completely pitch black outside. The days are getting shorter, so hopefully this works out okay for us. But here we go. I always prefer to film in the daylight, but when you work all day, it makes it really hard. This smells fabulous. Zena left, and she's now building herself a nest in the carpet. So this smells fabulous. Pomegranate seeds and shea butter. Okay, it smells wonderful. Can't wait to try it. Next up is Hydration Multiplier by Liquid IV. So this is Cellular Transport Technology, non-GMO electrolyte drink mix, and this flavor is passion fruit. You just add it to 16 ounces of water. All right. I like the variety you get in here too. So it's like health and beauty box. Next up is a Burt's Bees facial cleanser. This is sensitive with cotton extracts. So it is accepted by the National Eczema Association. And this is a 1 ounce tube. Another good one. I love these sizes for travel. I always need a great facial cleanser, and I'm always looking for this size for travel. Then I got a beauty blender. This is by Real Techniques by Sam and Nick. Miracle Complexion Sponge. I always need these. And actually, they give you a little pamphlet that tells you all about these products and actually tells you the price. So let me continue what I'm doing, and then I'll run through it one more time, and I'll give you the pricing for everything. And the theme for autumn is basically reinvigorate your routine. This one is by Sieste Moi Purifying Charcoal Clay Facial Mask. This is 1.7 full ounces and looks like a full-size product. And since I have this out, I'll read this. It says a real must-have for your weekly self-care ritual, and formulated for all skin types, and this is a $10 value. And you could have gotten this one or the Sieste Moi Gentle Cleansing Wipes. Both were valued at $10. Okay, so that's all my products. I got 5 of them. And the Burt's Bees is valued at $8.34 for a 6 ounce. This one is a 1 ounce. So they're telling you what the full price product it would be. The Beauty Blender, this is a full size. This was valued at $4.88. The Liquid IV for a 6 packets, which would be a full size, would be $8.98. And then the body polish, which this is a full size, is valued at $5.94. So not bad. I think it's worth it. I love trying out these products. It's just the price of shipping, so definitely worth it to me. So that's everything. All right, next I have my Roxbox. I don't think I've shared Roxbox for a while because I ended up keeping all 3 pieces from my last box. So I have 3 new pieces to share with you. Can't wait to do it. So here's what I see when I open my box. Roxbox is a jewelry rental subscription. So you get to try them before you buy them because you can buy them if you love the pieces. And then your rental price, which is $21 plus tax, I think it is, a month, will come off of anything you decide to keep within that month. If you don't buy anything within that month, then you do lose that rental fee that you pay each month, okay? So you get 3 pieces to try each month. You can swap them out as frequently as you like within the month, or you can keep them and wear them for as long as you like until you'd like to swap them, or you can choose to keep them. So tons of versatility. But in order to not lose the $21 fee, you do need to purchase something within that month. If you loved all 3 pieces that you're sent, you could take 3 months to buy the 3 pieces, which is what I tend to do. So buy the first piece the first month, the second piece the second month, and the third piece the third month. And they will recognize that you have bought all 3 pieces in a set, and you will get that discount on the third piece for buying all 3 pieces. I think it's $10 extra that you get off. All right, so you do get a little card in here that is all about jewelry care. And then you get a little bundle with your pieces. You can fill out a wish list, and your stylist will generally pick at least 1 item from your wish list. Everything comes in little jewelry pouches. You do keep everything because you will put it, if you decide to send anything back, put it back in the pouch, back in the box, and then back in the outer envelope that is sent to you, because you do get a little return label that you put back on the outside of it and send it all right back. And as soon as they register that you have sent something back, they will curate your next set and get it right out to you. Okay, so let's see what we got going on here. And I'll put all my information. Oh, this looks pretty. You do get to preview your set too. I better say that before I forget. Your stylist will curate your set, and you'll get 24 hours to preview it before they'll send it out. First up, this is so pretty. This is a necklace, and it's a toggle style necklace with a little tag. So here's the tag. You probably could wear it either way. This has the little plated metal on one side, and then it's flat on the other. Zena. She makes all kinds of noises, that dog. She's silly. Can you hear her? She's silly, Millie. So then you just put that toggle right in. And look how cute that is. Oh, I like that. That's pretty, right? Look how pretty that is. Love that. Okay, so that is called the Aster Willow Toggle Necklace. The retail price is $55. The member price is $46. Love that. Okay, that's my first item. I feel like I was going to say something before I interrupted myself. Oh, I interrupted myself. That's pretty bad. Oh, it's been a long day. All right, next up is a ring. This is really pretty. Can you see that detail? So it kind of has the interweave and twine through it. Like, I love that. It's got a lot of different layers there, all interwoven. So this is called the Slate Abir ring in gold. The retail price is $50. The member price is $42. So pretty, right? All right, I have one more. All right, and these are earrings. Love these. Once you get to preview your pieces, you can swap them out. You can swap them out for others if you don't like what you're seeing. How pretty are those? All right, let's put these in. These are called the Banter 18 karat gold plated bezel drops. The retail price is $49 and the member price $47. I feel like these must be newer. All right, so how pretty are these? Oh, I'm in love with this whole set. And they all go together so nicely, don't you think? These earrings are so pretty. All right, I think I'm gonna have to keep the earrings. All right, so I think these were super great choices this time by my stylist. I think I swapped out something, maybe the earrings. These might be my picks, actually. The earrings might be my picks. I really like them. They're just, I could wear them with my hair up or down, so I really like that. All right, so the retail price for all three pieces, or the retail price for all of them would be $154. I get a $19 discount as a member, and then buy all three would be a $10 discount. All right, and if you use my referral link, you'll get your first month's rental fee waived. So that $21 will be waived for your first month. So I'll put all the information down below. Love it. I think this is such a great subscription to try things that you might want to try the latest trends, but you don't know if you want to buy them. And it also lets you maybe get some of those statement pieces that maybe you want to wear for a wedding, but you don't necessarily want to own them. So lots of versatility, and I really love it. Okay, we're not done yet. I have one more to share with you. My EBY, my latest EBY set is here, and I can't wait to share it with you. So you might remember that I've shared several of my EBY items with you before. So EBY has the most amazing seamless undies, bras, bralettes, as well as tanks. Beautiful. So they have beautiful, beautiful seamless undies. They also have a subscription where you can get 3 pairs of undies every 3 months, and it is $39. Oh, so it's 3 panties every 3 months, $39, which I absolutely love. They have all kinds of panties, briefs, thongs, high waist, full coverage. You can get a mix, you can get your favorites, but you can just buy from their site as well. If you do the subscription, you get a discount. Otherwise, you just pay the regular price to get any of their pieces. Of course, I do have a code for you I'll share in a moment. But I have the latest set that I can't wait to dig into and see. This is called the Parisian Summer. So check out how pretty this is. How pretty is that pattern? My preference is thong, so that tends to be what I usually get. But I love, love, love this pattern. It's so, so pretty. Here you can see in here this, hopefully this is coming across. See that technology here where it doesn't slip. It doesn't slip once you have them in place. And they're no show. They just are amazing. Now, you have to be careful because this is a pattern. You don't probably want to wear them under white, but then you want to probably get a nude pair, but you know what I mean. No panty lines is what I mean, right? Love these. The undies are $14, but if you do the subscription and you're a member, then it's $12. And I also have the matching bralette to go with it. These are so, so comfortable. You will love them. How pretty is this? How pretty is this? In love, love it. So they do have a little bit of a light padding in it that gives it a little bit of coverage, which I really like. Has the comfy straps, has a little bit of stretch. The pads do come out. You can see there. it's basically like wearing a cami, which I find to be so incredibly comfortable. It's just such a great bralette. I absolutely love it. The bralettes are $44, $35 if you're a member. So I just wanted to show you these latest patterns. I think they're so pretty. I'll put a link up above to the other EBY, my last EBY items that I've shared as well, because I have tried these on before. So I'll link up above. So, so pretty. Love, right? Okay, but I do have a code for you. If you would like to give any of the EBY products a try, and you use my code, you'll get 15% off. Or no, I'm sorry, 20% off. You get 20% off if you use the code Laura20. 20% off anything on their site. And I'll put all the information down below. Okay, so that's everything I have to share with you today. I enjoyed everything. I hope you did as well. I'm loving my new panty set. I'm loving my new jewelry. I really like this set again. I don't know if I can do 2 months in a row where I keep it all, right? Oh, but I'm really liking this set. This is a perfect set, I think. It would go with so, so much. All right, and I'm loving all the new health and beauty products in my Walmart box. So I'll put all the information to everything I just shared with you down below. Hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Please hit that thumbs up if you did. Love you, hang out. Hit that subscribe. Please comment down below. Let me know what you thought of everything I shared with you today. And until next time, bye, everybody.